application. And other than that, I'm a football player, and with my strong team working, dedicated mindset, I'll be able to work hard for my future.
Hello everyone, I am Ganitha Aarthi. I am passionate about full stack development, and I recently completed internship in SNS where I learned about Python and Django, where I learned about how to build a website in a scalable and learned about API integration. And my hobby is playing football, and my technical skills are Figma and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js.
Hello everyone, myself Mohammed Wahid. I am currently pursuing BE Computer Science Design in SNS College of Engineering. I am passionate about web development. In my free time, I learn coding languages like Java and C++.
I recently done an internship at SNS as a full stack development. Apart from academics, I have great interest towards the dancing and the martial arts.
Hello everyone, I am Ganitha Aarthi. I once was a young girl who was always interested in arts. So arts and technology. So interested in arts, she taught herself how to draw and has been able to improve throughout the years. Now she's pursuing computer science and design. The course she was able to choose. And so interested in arts and technology, she explored through some technical and creative technologies such as augmented reality, virtual realities, and was able to create some new projects and characters for personal development.
Hello everyone, myself I am enthusiastic and optimistic in engineering. I am passionate about web development, and I have a keen interest towards front-end development and web designing. I have completed several courses regarding HTML, CSS, and I am currently doing internships in Vedanta, where I have to teach about the front-end development. And I completed internships in Asan Technosoft, where I developed the skills on Django and Python. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself is Prashant. I have completed my diploma in BS College of Technology, and right now I'm pursuing computer science and design. I'm very passionate to be in software development, so for that I'm currently studying all programming languages to skill up myself.
Good evening all, myself Raghunath. I completed my school studies at exceptionally high secondary school Suvarasi. Now I am pursuing my bachelor's degree at SNS College of Engineering in Computer Science and Design Department. I used to work as a full stack developer, so I completed an internship in some software technology in full stack development Django, and the second focus is on EGC. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ganitha. I have done my schooling in Convey High Secondary School. Now currently pursuing BE Computer Science and Design at SNS College of Engineering. I am passionate about web development, so I have completed my internship in convey as a role of web development. My technical skills are C and Python. My non-technical skills are Figma, Blender, and also I have more interested in UI UX design. And then I have done two projects. The first project is ambulance rescue system. The main motive to design and implement for accessing the ambulance in anywhere and in emergency situation. And also another project is ATM authentication system. That's all.
Hello everyone, I am Sri Shadina. I am from Kanyakumari. I have done my school in Adin Middle High Secondary School, and I am currently pursuing BE Computer Science and Design at SNS College of Engineering. I am passionate about web development, and I have done my internship in Internpay as a web developer, and my project is route optimization for waste collecting vehicle. It is based on IoT project. Then I have completed various certification in various platforms like Great Learning, Prepinsta and Ruby. Then my strength is I am a quick learner, adaptive person, and I work well in a team and also eager to learn new challenges.
I'm currently pursuing BE Computer Science and Design in SNS College of Engineering. I'm passionate about web development. I'm recently completed my internship at I2Tech Solutions as a web developer. From that, I gained knowledges like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. One of my notable project was pet adoption portal. Apart from my studies, I like to draw.
Hello everyone, I'm Aarthi. I'm passionate about UI UX design and web designing. I have currently done my internship on Codetech as a UI UX designer, where I have completed project related to designing an app, and also where I have learned many tools. Then my soft skills were time management and focus. Then my technical skills are C and C++. Thank you.
Hi, hello, I am Royal Gani. I completed my schooling in Vidya Metric High Secondary School. I am currently pursuing BE Computer Science and Design in SNS College of Engineering. I am an optimistic person and a quick learner. My skills are Figma, C++, etc. And I completed my courses on JavaScript, C++. I done an internship at Codetech on web development, where I learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Hello everyone, I am Ganitha. I am from Madurai. I have completed my schooling in Lakshmi Higher Secondary School. I am currently pursuing BE Computer Science and Design in SNS College of Engineering. I am passionate about web developer. I have completed my internship at online. My first internship is Convey as a web developer, and my second internship is Lamps Automation as a full stack developer. I have done 3 projects during my college days, and I am currently learning HTML and C programming language.
Normal person. Recently, I have completed my internship in ISN Techno Software by gaining proficiency in Python using Django. Apart from my studies, I am more interested in sports, and I am an athlete who participated in a zonal level player and got a runner-up. And I have participated in interzonal play.
I have done my schooling in Maharishi Vijayananda Rasipuram and currently pursuing 3rd years of Bachelor's of Engineering in Computer Science and Design Department. And I have skills like C, Python, and non-technical skills like Figma and Blender. I have experience of 2 internships. One as a web developer in Internpay, and the second one is as a backend developer in Innovation Hub. And I have certifications on generative AI and from major platforms like Replicst and Great Learning. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Aishwarya. I'm passionate about artificial intelligence and web development, and I've been doing my internships and projects based on this. And beyond that, I've also enjoy pencil art and cooking, and I'm always open to evolve myself according to the situation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yashmi from Deni. I am a meticulous and enthusiastic person. I have completed many projects on different topics, where my recent project was on web application. So my interest towards web application was increased from that. So I started to do my portfolio using HTML and CSS, and I am currently working on learning more about HTML and CSS and JavaScript. Apart from the technical aspect, I am skilled at engaging a large number of people, and I am a good team worker that I can engage with a lot of people and cope up with them. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Kavitra, a distinctive and visionary design thinker. I am interested in UI UX, Figma designing, and data analytics. I have completed my internship at Innovation Hub as a technical recruiter, where I was able to develop my interpersonal skills and my intrapersonal skills. And I have done my certifications in data structures, DBMS, in platforms like Great Learning and Replicst. And I'm passionate about designing, and my hobby is cooking and design.
Hello everyone, my name is Savitya. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree at SNS College of Engineering. I am passionate about web developer and I completed a web developer internship in course company on online. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Soni. I am currently pursuing a third-year bachelor degree in computer science and design department at SNS College of Engineering, and I am passionate about web development, and I have completed one internship as a web developer, and I have done new skills like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Hello everyone, I am Priyadarshak. I am from Vilupuram district. I completed my schooling at Government Boys High Secondary School, and I am currently pursuing bachelor's degree in computer science design. I am completed 2 global certificates: fundamental marketing by Google and Microsoft security by Microsoft. And during my academic, I completed 2 projects. One is Open Chat AI, another one is virtual doctor robot, and I am passionate about government civil servant.
Currently pursuing SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. I am from Suvarnabhumi. I have done internship with Bangalore-based company Coimbatore. In the domain of artificial intelligence, I work on projects like HTML, CSS, selected. Another one is interview management project. And my hobby is playing badminton. I have a lot of certifications in great learning, in Prepping Star, and Prepping Star MBTA.
Hello everyone, I am Sadhana, and I am pursuing computer science and design at SNS College of Engineering. I did my schooling in the Kingdom Senior School, and building things and being more fascinated attracts me, and I believe that I can build one too, so that I'm being passionate about creativity, technology, and design. So working on that, I am being so data driven and being very creative towards design. So I'm focusing on UI UX, data science, and working on programming languages like C and Python. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Shratesh. I am currently at the Computer Design Department at SNS College of Engineering. My core interest lies between web development and ML and AI. Built in hands-on experience where I gain many knowledges how an AI works, what can we do with an AI. My certifications include beginnings of C, C++, Java and programming languages, and I have been experienced with many hands-on experiences with including machine learning projects and also for an AI project. The my 3 words are learn, adapt, and innovate, which contribute me to solve the real world problems. Thank you.
My name is Somi. I am from Gopichetipalayam. Currently pursuing BE Computer Science Design in SNS College of Engineering. I have done project in online internship. I have done UX internship using Figma. My hobbies are dancing and drawing